For part 3, it requires you guys to understand more and be more thinker. Want to see something and do it. So when you read the questions, they will give you this. The area is 6x squared. The area. 6x squared plus x minus 2, and your length will be 2x minus 1. Question number 1, asking for the width. Now, to find your width, you need to know the formula, and the formula of an area is formula. Again, this is back in Math 1. You're supposed to remember this. This is the easiest formula ever. Area will equal to length times width. Right. What do we know so far? We know our area, 6x squared plus x minus 2 equal to our length, which is 2x minus 1, times our width. This is really mean questions here. Because if you just straight up divide it, it's impossible to divide it. You're not learned yet. This is in Math 3. So now the other way to solve this is to factor your area. Alright. Transfer. So now, factor your areas. You have to identify your A, B, and C coefficient of your area. Since your A will be 6, your B will be 1, your C will be negative 2. From there you can make the X, and you know all the good old stuff like that. 6 times negative 2 will be 12. Negative 12. B will be 1. Two numbers added, multiply to get negative 12, added to get positive 1. The only solution will be negative 3 and 4. Now from there you can put it in 3, 4, divide your A coefficients. Now if I go too fast, you can pause the video and review that. So 3 over 6, 4 over 6 from here. From there you can form your answer, which is x minus 3 over 6, x plus 4 over 6 equal to 0. Again, simplify your fractions always. So end up with x minus 1/2, x plus 2 over 3 equals 0. And you have to completely divide or slide. So in this case, it's going to be slide. 2x minus 1, 3x plus 2 equals 0. This is complete factor form of that. Once you got this right here, you can start finding your width. All you have to do is just substitute it in. So this is your area in a factors form. So in fact, you can bring it back up here. Instead of writing down 6x squared plus x minus 2, you can say that it will be 2x minus 1 times 3x plus 2 equal to 2x minus 1 times your width. All this here. Now you can find your width by dividing both sides by 2x minus 1, and the idea is if you divide something by itself, it will cancel each other out. So same thing here, 2x minus 1. And here we know for sure dividing something by itself, so we cancel each other out. And on your left hand side, very fortunate for us, we have 2x minus 1 on the numerator too. So from there we simplify that. Look at 3x plus 2, and that is your width. Now, I left this part here down for a reason. To find your x, to find any x value you have, first of all, your x has to satisfy the condition that even if the lowest possible case, lowest possible value of x, meaning that we're not talking about a negative value here, we talk about positive value only, because we don't, our dimension, everything has to be positive. You cannot have negative dimension. We are not talking about quantum theory stuff, or we're not talking about like the idea of go back in time. So from here, to solve this thing, set it up equal to 0, you can find your answer. 2x plus 1 equals to 0, and second here, 3x plus 2 equals to 0. From there, you can solve for it. It's going to be 2 plus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 2. Keep solving this, and then your answer at the end, your final answer will be a little closer. You can see this in space. X will be 1/2, and x will be negative 2/3. Now this concludes the first review you have for the CIA. So from now on, I want you guys to work by yourself on the back page of that, and you have precisely 15 minutes for this. After 15 minutes done, you have to work on the next part. I will make sure that your sub understand that you only have 15 minutes for the back. So now